Have you ever scrolled through TikTok at 2 a.m., seen some dude making thousands from a side hustle and thought, there's no way that works? Yeah, me too. So let me tell you what actually does work. And it's not dropshipping from your mum's basement or posting Canva quotes on Instagram hoping for affiliate sales. It's simple, it's scalable, and it started with $50. No, this isn't one of those buy my course and I'll tell you setups. I'll give you the game raw. I took a $50 investment and flipped it into $1,000 in under 7 days. Not from luck, not from going viral, just from understanding one thing most people ignore. Skill is the new currency. Let me break it down before you start foaming at the mouth. Everyone wants money, but nobody wants to sell anything. And worse, nobody wants to learn anything. But I did. I picked up a skill, specifically freelance video editing. Not the Hollywood stuff, not the cinematic drone shots. I'm talking about TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts, the crap you already watch every day. Yeah, that. And guess what? Creators, coaches, small businesses, they're starving for it. People are out here filming content, but they've got no time or no clue how to edit it. So I stepped in. I dropped $50 on CapCut Pro and a $5 gig just to learn what the top editors were offering. That was my tuition fee. No $999 bootcamp, no 8-week cohort, just raw YouTube tutorials and reverse engineering. Then I started reaching out, cold DMs, cold emails. Hell, I even commented under people's posts like a savage. Yo, this vid's fire. If you want it to hit harder, let me make your next one for free. They said yes. I did the work, and then I got paid. $100 here, $150 there, $300 for a package. A week later, $1,050 in my account. Now let me guess what you're thinking. Okay, but I'm not an editor. Cool. You don't have to be. Replace editing with writing. Design, voiceovers, social media management. Hell, even script writing. Like what you're watching now. There are millions of small businesses and solopreneurs online, drowning in tasks they don't understand, and willing to pay someone who shows up with confidence and clarity. But what do most people do? They scroll, they dream, they wait, they overthink. They say, I just need to figure out my passion, while door-dashing ramen and wondering why nothing changes. You don't need passion, you need proof of work. You need to shut up, pick something, get good and start solving problems. That's what money is, a reward for solving something people care about. The broke mindset says, how do I get money fast? The rich mindset says, how do I get good fast? Huge difference. Now here's the twist no one tells you. The $1,000 wasn't the real win. The real win was realizing that money is everywhere, and I was just too scared, too skeptical, and too lazy to reach out and grab it. I used to think people making money online were lucky. Nah, they're just early. They're consistent and they're not scared to sell. You think confidence comes first? It doesn't. Results come first. Confidence is a side effect of doing the reps. So here's your move. Pick a skill, I don't care which one. Give yourself 48 hours to learn the basics. Use AI tools. Use free resources. Stop acting like you need credentials. You need competence. Then go find 10 people who need help. Offer free work if you must. Use it as leverage. Get testimonials, build proof, then raise your prices. Package your offer. Stack your income. This ain't a get-rich-quick, it's a get-paid-smarter system. So let me ask you something. What's the alternative? Keep waiting for a raise from your boss who doesn't even remember your birthday? Keep pretending that your degree is going to save you in a world run by algorithms, attention, and automation. Keep ignoring your potential because you're afraid of being cringe, of failing, of looking dumb for 5 seconds. Here's the truth. You're already losing. You might as well lose forward. Because this game, it rewards the bold. And if you're not bold yet, start with being useful. You don't need to be a genius. You need to be valuable. Money doesn't go to the best, it goes to the ones who move. So no, this isn't motivation, this is a blueprint. $50, one skill, 7 days, 4 clients, over $1,000. Now multiply that by 52 weeks. You want freedom? Then get off the sidelines. The hustle is real, the money is real, and the only question left is, are you? Let me leave you with 3 more truths, and you can decide what to do with them. Truth number 1, your life won't change until you do. You won't get any thinner, you won't get any richer, you won't get any happier unless you take action. Action is the antidote to overthinking. It makes you feel alive. Don't wait to feel ready. Feel your way into readiness. Take a class, take a trip, take a risk. Do something that scares you. Truth number 2, selling is the new superpower. The ability to articulate value, to persuade, to convince. That's the skill of the future. And it starts with selling yourself on your own abilities. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's going to hand you success. You have to earn it. You have to hustle for it. And it all begins with self-belief. If you can't believe in yourself, how the hell you expect someone else to believe in you? Stop waiting for permission. Start demanding results. And truth number 3, there's always going to be a reason not to do something. Always going to be fear, uncertainty, doubt. But the people who make things happen, they push through it. They ignore it. They drown it out with focus. I didn't know how to edit videos. I didn't know what I was doing, but I didn't let that stop me. I didn't let that stop me because the potential upside was so damn big. There's this quote I love that goes, "If you want to do something that's never been done before, you'll need to do something that's never been done before. If you want a different result, if you want a different life, if you want to escape the rat race, you got to do what others aren't willing to do. And that's the path to greatness. So I'll leave the next move to you. Will you take action today? Will you sell yourself on your potential? Will you trust the process and embrace the fear? Because here's the reality. If you don't take a leap of faith, if you don't shoot your shot, you're doomed to watch everyone else play small and wonder what if. So I'll end with this. Are you going to keep playing it safe, or are you going to go all in? Are you going to be the 1% who makes moves or the 99% who talks about it? Are you going to choose action, or are you going to choose excuses? The choice is yours. The world is waiting. So make your move.